In today's video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful journal in Canva. Whether you want to design a personal journal or a product to sell, Canva makes it super easy and fun. Welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to create a personalized journal for themselves, as a heartfelt gift, or even to start a side business selling custom journals on platforms like Etsy or Amazon KDP. Journal creation has become incredibly popular. And with Canva, you don't need any design experience to create professional-looking results. Start by opening Canva and typing journal into the search bar. You will see a wide variety of templates, minimalist, colorful, or ornate. So take your time to find one that fits your vision. Canva offers hundreds of journal templates for different purposes: gratitude journals, fitness trackers, daily planners, bullet journals, and more. Think about your journal's purpose before selecting a template. Are you creating a wellness journal, a travel journal, a recipe book, or a creative writing journal? Each type has different layout needs and design aesthetics. Once you spot a template you like, click Customize this template to start personalizing it with Canva's drag and drop tools. You can change colors, tweak layouts, and add your own images. The beauty of Canva is its flexibility. You can completely transform a template to match your personal style or brand identity. If you're creating journals to sell, consider developing a signature style that makes your products instantly recognizable. You can upload your own photos, patterns, or artwork to make your journal completely unique. Spice things up with icons or illustrations to make your journal truly unique. Don't forget the text. Adjust font sizes and colors to match your theme, and consider adding prompts or inspirational quotes for a thoughtful look as you customize Canva's 4C's control. Library contains thousands of free elements you can use. For journals, consider adding decorative borders, floral elements, motivational symbols, or seasonal graphics. When choosing fonts, pair a decorative font for headings with a simple, readable font for body text. For journal prompts, think about questions that inspire reflection like, "What made me smile today?" or "3 things I'm grateful for." These prompts add tremendous value to your journal. Preview your journal to ensure everything flows well and looks cohesive. Experiment with different combinations until it feels just right. Take your time during this stage. Look at your journal as a whole. Does it have a consistent color scheme? Do the fonts work well together? Is there enough white space? Or does it feel cluttered? Get feedback from friends or family if you're unsure. Sometimes a fresh pair of eyes can spot improvements you might have missed. When you are satisfied, click Download and choose your preferred format, PDF for print or a digital version for sharing. Make sure to set a high resolution if you plan to print your journal. For printing, always select PDF print with 300 dpi resolution to ensure crisp, professional quality. If you're selling your journal, you'll need to check the specific requirements of your printing service or platform. For digital journals, PDF standard works perfectly and creates smaller file sizes for easy sharing. Remember to include bleed margins if your printer requires them. And there you have it. Your journal is ready to use or share with the world, showcasing your creativity and design skills. Happy journaling, and keep exploring Canva's endless possibilities. If you created a journal to sell, don't forget to create matching marketing materials, like product mockups and promotional graphics, all possible in Canva. I'd love to see what journals you create, so share them with me on Instagram or in the comments below. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week. Check out my playlist on creating printables and digital products if you want to expand your creative business. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, your creativity has no limits.